my name is Amy, and I am an executive director. I give Teachable 4 out of 5 stars, and for more reviews, click below. Before I started using Teachable, I was using LearnDash. LearnDash is a plugin for WordPress, so it's not a standalone piece of software. You have to have WordPress installed in order to use it. And it was very clunky. The interface was not intuitive, and I only used it for a short period of time before I realized that I need another solution. And Teachable was easy to get started with, and their interface was much more intuitive and smooth, and it was faster to implement. I first chose Teachable because they had a really amazing onboarding process. So they had a whole webinar series and training that walked you through how to set up your courses using their platform, which I went through and was really valuable. And in addition to that, when I logged into the actual software, it was very clean. Uh, it was very simple to set up. So even though it had a lot of functionality, once you got deeper into the product, at first it was very streamlined and there weren't a lot of things to do to get started. Teachable was really easy to get started with. Not only that, but I work with other teachers and I lead them through the process of delivering their courses on Teachable. So not only was it easy for me to get started, but it was really easy for me to walk other people through the process of inserting their content into Teachable. So it is drag and drop, and it is very fast and simple, and that's part of what I loved about it. If you are considering starting with Teachable and you are teaching for fun or teaching a topic um, that is not a formal training product or not a formal training that you're moving people through, I would encourage you to use Teachable because it's easy for someone just coming off the street. We ended up changing from Teachable to another product mainly because we operate a certification program. So there is a lot of things that are great about Teachable for the beginner, but once you start having to have more complex assessments for your students and deliver like a certification product that meets other standards, Teachable can kind of fall short in the resources that it offers. So I think it's still an excellent product, especially if you are teaching something that is fun, that is uh, not on the professional level, but like teaching a group of amateurs how to accomplish something.